Welcome to Lucky Wheels. In this situation, the truck carrying a car didn't pay attention to the height and got tangled in the power lines on the road, creating a dangerous situation. The moment the tow truck lost control on the narrow road, it caused dust and smoke to obscure the visibility for those behind. The dangers of carelessness behind the wheel are clear. Join us as we witness incredible moments on the road and learn valuable lessons in safe driving. Let's get it on. Oh, please measure the exact height and width of my car with the electrical wires on the road. Again, it's a similar situation, so please pay attention to the height of my car. This is a rescue operation of an overturned truck in India, and everything has been safely resolved. Keep a safe distance from trucks like this. Stay away from them, everyone. I think he should get the brake service to avoid any issues in the future. Oh, what a surprise! Luckily, no one was injured. Know it potentially endangers other drivers. Secure it properly on your vehicle with the appropriate restraints. Things didn't go smoothly with the truck. Hopefully, everything will be all right. Oh my God, that's terrible. The cornering grip was poor. This is a situation where the truck successfully crossed a river without any issues. Kudos to the driver. Never panic once. Good driving and glad the driver is safe. Please tie down your loads, even if it's heavy and seems fine. Drivers, please drive with care, even though you are in a rush for time. Oh dear, what was wrong with him? Hope the driver's safe. Be careful when the road is covered in snow, driver. No man, what are you doing? Wow, that is so scary. Thankfully, there were no injuries. Hey man, pay attention to brake lights and traffic flow ahead of you. Truly impressive skills. That turn was spectacular. Everything is so chaotic ahead. I hope this driver stops instead of continuing. What a nightmare! I hope they're okay. This is what happens when you go above the speed limit. Looks at least nobody got hurt in this case. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Please focus on the road and reduce attention to unrelated things. Everyone. Oh, it seems like he's gotten too close to the double lines. Please be careful.
You tell me that you didn't realize it was going to be coming. Well, because it's a thriller, and my feeling is like if your faith is shaken to the core by a thriller, I think.
Luckily, the driver didn't back up further. Luckily, no one crashed into them. Oh, luckily he's okay. Please pay attention to your surroundings. Everyone. Oh, this is a race. Luckily, those two racers are still fine to continue competing. Oh my God, slow down on narrow roads. You can't speed up there. It seems like that car wants to take a swim in the river. This is why you keep your attention on the road and your surroundings. OH, dear, stay focused on the task of driving, man. Don't panic brake, let's keep a safe distance. Please pay attention to the car's balance before making a turn. Hope the driver is okay. Keep your attention on the road and your surroundings. At all times, everyone. Oh, make sure to secure your cargo tightly. Truck, don't let it come loose. I think both of them should slow down when approaching the intersection. It seems like everything is going wrong. At least the driver is okay. Oh no, how could this happen? Oh dear, no turn signal. It is truly karma. Oh my, what is going on? Stay safe out there, man. What is happening? Is the driver okay? All I can say is drive carefully. You never know when you encounter a distracted driver. I hope the driver was able to get the plates and report it. What a nightmare! My God, hope everyone's safe. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. The slippery road made it impossible for him to stop, but luckily the driver is okay. Oh my, this guy was going on the fast. Speed up according to Weather Bro.
On ad campaigns because the more people see and hear about a product or service, the more
Hey, make sure to check your rearview mirror. Man, don't do that anymore. Drivers, please drive with care, even though you are in a rush for time. This is terrible. I hope both of them are okay. In this case, take a deep breath and try to remain calm. Panicking can impair your ability to think clearly.
I don't know what this is. I'm gonna order it. Fuck it. So now I tried the... Oh my god.
Thankfully, he is fine, even though he lost control. Oh my god, this is horrible. That was speeding, wasn't it? People, this is the consequence of running a red light. Do not imitate this. That'll teach him to pay closer attention to the road. He's fine. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Oh, that was way too fast. How could the driver go at that speed? Hey driver, don't brake suddenly on the highway like that.
Continue straight for 2 hours and 51 minutes to exit 86B, I-26 West, Columbia.
I hope he learns his lesson after all. Glad he's okay. You would have seen the big red trap. Don't try to beat it, mate. Pray that all of them are fine. Stay alert, folks. He took the turn too closely, but luckily he's okay.
Oh my god.
This is a reminder that the roads demand our full attention. We all want to avoid it.
Oh my god.
What's wrong with him? The both of them are all right. Oh dear, stop completely at red lights, man. It's your turn to yield. This is a similar situation. Don't run the red light. Everyone. Why do people run red lights? I don't understand. Never cut off other drivers or force your way into the lane, bro. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.